The error code F68 on an Electrolux range indicates an issue with the incoming line voltage, which can be caused by a power supply problem or a faulty control board. To fix this issue, the first step is to reset the oven by powering it down, either by turning off the breaker or unplugging it from the outlet, and then waiting 10 minutes before turning the power back on to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, the power supply should be checked by turning off the oven's breaker and unplugging it, then pulling the oven away from the wall to access the outlet. Using a multimeter, the voltage can be tested, taking care to hold the probes safely in one hand to avoid shock, and ensuring the metal parts do not touch, which could cause a short circuit. A normal reading should show 220 volts between the outer terminals, with each terminal reading 110 volts. If the multimeter reading is normal, but the issue remains, it may be due to a faulty control board, which would require professional assistance to replace.